Hi, my name is Linda Taullto, and I came to Sasha Clinic actually by accident, having heard about a referral from another person that I work with. And so I came for a consultation and explained that I have had a lot of issues with aging and wrinkles and that sort of thing. And so they did a phenomenal job in assessing the situation with my skin and laying out a plan on how to accomplish and combat some of the aging effects. Everyone has been extremely nice and courteous and helpful, and it has been just a great experience. I referred one of my colleagues here as well, and she feels the exact same way. So thank you very much.